One day, I discovered that I couldn't eat any dairy products because it upset my stomach, gave me acne outbreaks, and so on. And I thought to myself, oh, that's easy. You just don't have to drink any milk anymore. But I was dead wrong. It's ice cream, chocolate, cake. I cried for many nights, but I have come up top again. I've discovered vegan options that are actually tasteful. If you're like me, someone who really has a sweet tooth, this is a really good option for you. So check what I got in the bag. All you need is some protein powder. I use pea protein isolate, 50 grams of oats, 2 bananas, but they are small. Add one more, some cinnamon, 2 eggs, some baking powder. Oh my god. Some baking powder, some butt wipes. Just kidding, killers. Some blueberries, looking good. Sweet. And optional, some dark chocolate. Usually you will go for the 85% dark chocolate. It's healthier, but it tastes like, so I use this one. Let's mix this in a bowl. Okay, we're back. Pro tip, don't wear white t-shirts when you make food. I will start with the eggs.
Yeah, and 2. There you go.
After that, you take your bananas, like that, and boom, boom. Okay. Half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. You decide how you like it.
I will use a half a teaspoon.
Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder, almost 1 teaspoon. More like maybe a little bit more than the half a teaspoon. Maybe half a teaspoon or a little bit more, but not a full teaspoon. I don't know. Then use 1 scoop of any flavor you like. I choose chocolate.
Blend it up. This is really bad.
Oh, I forgot one thing. If you have rice milk, it's a lot easier to blend it up. Just add a little bit of rice milk. Maybe, how much is it? 100 milliliters of rice milk. The protein powder is stuck on the blender. Just take it off.
Yep.
I'm going to add my oats, and you take about 50 grams of oats. There you go. I've maybe taken 1 banana too much in there. So I'm just gonna add a bit more liquid to it, either water or rice milk.
Like that.
Okay. Let's head over to the pan. Excuse me for one moment. I had a meal prep yesterday. I forgot to clean it up. Alrighty then. This is as good as it gets. You heat up your pan to medium heat, and I don't want to burn it. This is slow. Use a bit more heat. Okay, it's getting up there. No, not this, man, not this. So, let's use a bit of coconut oil on the pan. A little bit more. And make 2 at the same time. Oh, it's gonna be so good. It already smells like heaven. Trust me. And now we just have to wait. Okay, I don't have the patience to wait so long, so I'm gonna up the heat, even though I said low heat. Forget that.
You look at it. What is wrong with this?
Oh my God. Maybe I didn't put enough oil. Yeah! This one's pretty good.
This other one looks more like scrambled pancake.
And that's why I said low heat, because it has to be cooked nicely all the way through, or it will look like that. There you go. Bon appetit, cuz. Okay, no. We're gonna try again. What a failure! We're gonna use a little bit more oil this time. That's maybe the reason. I don't know.
Well, we're gonna try. Much better. Look at it.
That's how it should look. Get a little back. Personal space, cuz. Personal space. And give him some time. Okay, we're gonna fast forward from this. No! Like that, yeah. Maybe it's because I use a grill pan instead of a regular pan, but I don't know. They look a bit more different. But I hope it's gonna taste good. Just give it a taste. I promise you.
It tastes amazing.
Let's try a different pan out. Hey, I forgot something. While we are waiting for the pancakes to be cooked, why not have a joke? It's the curse joke time. And the Lord said to John, if you come forth, you will receive eternal life. But John, he came fifth, so he won a toaster. That's pretty funny. Okay, after these are done, I'm just gonna make a huge one, because I can't wait anymore.
Let's make the huge pancake. This is probably gonna be a huge failure, but I'm gonna eat it anyway, because it's got a lot of protein in it.
Dude, what are you doing? You can't do that. Bishi. No. And now it is time to chop up some dark chocolate. Yummy.
Just look at the finished product. Pancakes, blueberries, and dark chocolate.
No. Look at this. It's a healthy alternative to other snacks, and it tastes amazing. Hope you enjoyed it. Remember to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so you always get updated when I release some new videos. See you next time.